Working on that F150 Lariat right there, 2006. Gentleman states that at about 40 set, let's just say 47 because that's what the OBD says. 47 miles an hour, we start doing some stuttering. When I did a power balance test, look at what we have. That middle line that cuts through everything, technically where the blue line is, that's you'll see a red line just in the middle of that. That's your isometric line. So we're supposed to be kind of hanging out with all the cylinders. You see 1, 3, 7, 2, 6, 5, 4. Those are all the cylinders. When we hit 47 miles an hour, we start getting that check engine light blinking, and we got Misfire on 3 and 2. You can see it's compensated on 7 and 6 during this time. And for all of you wise guys, yes, I captured this at 50 miles an hour. Keep your eyes on the road.